8 signs you'll be successful. Success and failure both leave trails, which in turn predicts the future way better than anything you'll ever come across. Yes, we're talking about you. Your habits and behaviors decide your destiny. Here are 8 signs that you'll be successful in the near future. This is Wealthy Fact, where you come to watch, implement, and get wealthy. Please make sure to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up if you like our content. 1. Persuasive. You've learned valuable lessons from rejections. Life isn't perfect. You are bound to experience rejection and setbacks. If you haven't let these bad experiences define you as a failure, and instead learn the importance of expanding the social circle and becoming persuasive, then you're on the right track. Take, for example, Warren Buffett, who is considered as one of the most successful investors. In his office, he proudly displays his public speaking certificate instead of his Columbia degree, as he knows how important persuasion is for success. So, if you've learned how to be persuasive, can sell your advantage, and are comfortable presenting your ideas and being part of a big social circle, then you're likely to be successful. With these skills, you'll be able to get financial investors for your business and will know how to get others interested in what you're selling. Number 2. Hardworking. You are the hardest working person in any room. There is no replacement for hard work. If you dedicate your time and energy to the task at hand and work towards your set goals, then you're likely to be successful at whatever you aim to do. Your success is directly related to how much and how hard you work each and every day. So if you're comfortable with grinding most of the time, then you're likely to be successful. If you study the daily routines of legends like Einstein, you'll see that none of them had a typical work week of 40 hours. Dedicated individuals work tons of hours every day as they're obsessed with their work. If you work hard and focus on achieving the set goals, then you'll never lack motivation. Your motivation and drive to achieve goals will be a huge contributing factor in helping you work hard, the result being that you'll become a successful individual in no time. Number 3. Emotionally empowered. You know how to express and manage your emotions. The majority of individuals aren't comfortable expressing or showing their true feelings. This might be because in doing so, they feel vulnerable. This isn't the case with people that are widely recognized and successful. When it comes to following their vision and expressing themselves, they aren't afraid. Billionaire entrepreneurs like Jeff Bezos have always been outspoken about their vision, even if it was contrary to the general principle. So if you're working on something that you have strong feelings for and don't let the opinions of others get in your way, then this is a positive sign. Even if you feel lazy, demotivated, or afraid, and yet you still manage to get the task done, then this is another positive sign. Overcoming your emotions and focusing on the goal is a skill that one cultivates through experience and self-awareness. Number 4. Energy. You are great at managing and boosting your energy. The creator of the Dilbert comic strip, Scott Adams, refers to energy as the most important success metric. This is because you can't get anything done without energy. That said, not every person that works out at the gym is successful, but you can achieve anything significant without having the energy to get the work done. If you have a look at the habits of successful people, you'll notice that they either do yoga or meditate and follow a healthy diet. The energy and discipline created from these habits help boost productivity, which assists you in becoming successful. Like successful people, you should avoid overindulgence in drugs, overdrinking, and overeating. If you find yourself trapped in these activities, then you'll not find the courage, motivation, and strength to achieve your goals. Dopamine surge from such activities tend to satisfy the brain, so you don't feel the desire to chase your dreams. All in all, if you stay clear of habits that overindulge you and have a routine that disciplines you, then this is another significant sign proving that you will be successful. Number 5. Can-do attitude. You say yes most of the time. If you're always willing to say yes to any opportunity without any preparation, then you're likely to succeed in life. The general misconception is that successful people tend to say no more. However, when you've just started to make a name for yourself, then you don't have the luxury to say no to any opportunity that might come your way. Take, for example, Jillian Michaels, who is a famous American fitness expert. You might be surprised to know that the first time she ever trained an individual was by luck. At that time, she was a bartender and was practicing martial arts moves in the gym. Someone approached her and inquired if she was a trainer. She said yes, and the rest is history. If you're able to identify opportunities around you, then this is another sign that you will be successful. At the end of the day, The more opportunities you dive into, the better you'll get at what you do and receive recognition for your work. The author Grant Cardone once said, "In order to deliver at that level of massive action, you must take every opportunity that comes your way." Number 6. Goals. You set proper goals and achieve them. Suitable goal setting and planning skills are prominent signs that you're on the road that leads to success. If you had set some goals for the last year, month, or week and were able to achieve them, then this is a positive sign. You can also compare your past self with the position you're currently in. If you see some notable progress, then this indicates that you are dedicating your energy in improving yourself and achieving your goals. Staying stagnant and letting the world pass by is not something that successful people do. Their approach is to indulge in improving themselves and always to be the best version of themselves. Everyone doesn't have that drive and ambition. They're usually held back with fear, laziness, or are restricted by circumstances. A prominent approach that successful people take is that they assign goals in the ratio 1-3-5. That can be goals from 1 week to 3 weeks, or months, or years. They then work tirelessly to achieve the goals. If you have a constant desire to learn new things, improve yourself, master new skills, and sacrifice any free time, you will surely have a successful future. With this approach, you will continuously be improving yourself and getting tasks done. Number 7. Master of your fate. You don't rely on others to do things for you. Some individuals sit still and wait for the world to sort out all their problems. They just can't seem to get their act together. They tend to rely on family, friends, and co-workers to support them. Plus, they list insignificant problems that keep them from achieving their goals. Successful people aren't like this. They know that their destiny lies in their own hands, and they take full responsibility for their actions or inactions. They don't expect others to be there for them or get things done for them. If you're like the latter that knows that good things in life wouldn't be handed to you and that you will have to work on your own to get them, then you possess a significant trait that successful people have. Number 8. Humble. You don't believe you are the best out there. With social media being a huge part of the world, everyone can easily use the platforms available to become their own PR agent. So it's super easy for everyone to brag about their accomplishments and blow their own horn. Successful people don't do this. They know that their success is a result of persistence, ambition, and execution. They also recognize that their employees, mentors, and luck had huge contribution. Not that there is anything wrong with being proud of your accomplishments, but being humble is an excellent trait that successful people have. They know that success is temporary and that respect and dignity are the ones that last forever. So they stay true to themselves and keep trying to learn more. Conclusion: if you acquire some or all of the things mentioned above, then congratulations. You have the potential to achieve anything you set out for. In case you don't, then I hope that this video acts like a wake-up call and you start making some positive changes. Well, now it's time to sign off, but let me leave you with these golden words by Thomas Edison. Restlessness is discontent, and discontent is the first necessity, progress. Show me a thoroughly satisfied man, and I will show you a failure. So keep striving.